do that. But Brian, it's Whissel Widget of the Week.
Yes.
What do you got for us?
My Whissel Widget of the Week are these new Rode Wireless Go microphones. You guys can't see it on the podcast, but I'm showing you on the video on YouTube. They're about the size of maybe 2 inch by 2 inch.
Yes.
And this is a little wireless setup. I will give you one when we're recording. You'll put the lav mic in it, put it in your pocket. The other one goes on my camera. The thing I love about these, they're about $200, which is really cheap. Also, on the microphone one, they actually have a built-in microphone. So it's kind of glitchy right now. It doesn't work all the time, but it's a version 1. We've been using wired mics that I was thinking in editing for the longest time. Now I'm using these. So far, they've been really good. They haven't been perfect, but the next generation of things we're looking at is probably the deity mics, and that's $700 a pair. So $200 a pair. And guess how much Kyle paid for these? Oh, you didn't pay for them. Brian paid for these. Interesting. That's cool. I'm expensive, huh?
Well, I will share something that does not cost $200. And that is this beautiful hostage board, as Bomb Bomb refers to it. So again, if you are listening on the podcast, you want to get a visual of this, the show is also on YouTube, so you can check it out on there. But essentially, this is a little whiteboard. It is approximately a foot by 8 inches. And what we do is whenever we're shooting videos to clients, we just put a little message on there, like, "Hi, Brian. Hi, Tomcat." And it's amazing when you put a sign that actually says an individual's name, what that does to the open rate of the email is massive. It has such a big impact because it's extremely clear at that point that it's not a spam email that's coming through. It's an email that's personalized and directed toward that individual, and people love that. And so if you guys are having trouble getting leads to respond to you, or potential business relationships, if you're having trouble getting those people to respond to you, try integrating some video and utilizing at the very beginning of the video a hostage board saying hi and whatever that particular person's name is, and you will see your open rates go through the roof.
Yeah, not only open rates, but they get to play through the video, they click on the links, and you mentioned Bomb Bomb. With Bomb Bomb, you can track all that stuff. That's probably my favorite thing about Bomb Bomb is the fact you can track when they open, when they click, when they watch the video.
I love it. So guys, hopefully you got a ton of value out of this today. We'd love to continue the conversation and provide more value to you. Please visit thewhisselway.com. That'll connect you with our YouTube channel. It'll also connect you with our Facebook page, which is the best place for you to ask questions because, again, if you've got a question, other people have that same question, so we'd love to help everybody out. So ask those questions in there. We'll also, if you have a good question, we'll feature it here on the podcast as well. So I want to thank you guys so much for tuning in today. We hope you guys got a massive amount of value out of it. Thanks for tuning in.
Maximum.
Wait. Before you leave, I want to share some more tips and tricks that we're using in our business to take it to that next level. Just click right here. And don't forget to subscribe. Click right here.